What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another banger. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the best headphones for beginner gamers. These right here is from a company called Top Tech, and you can get these at Rose's for like $10, I think. I mean, they're originally like $30, but go to Rose's, you get them for $10. Well, like I was saying, you can already tell it's got LED lights. It fits all the way across your head, and it don't eat. You know, if you get those small circle headbuds, how their ear starts to ache. These, they work. They cover your whole entire ear. Like I was saying, but there's some downsides to this, but they work. They're just high quality as in any other expensive headbuds. With headphones. You can hook this up to an Xbox, PS4, or anything that hooks up to an HDMI slot. Also, you can take this thing and hook it up to your mobile device. All you would have to do, it comes with these cords. This one, the middle one, the big one, is HDMI cord. This is what allows it to light up. These, I think the pink one's for like PCs, and the green one's like for Xboxes and mobile devices. Like I was saying, if you don't have this one plugged in, it won't work on your mobile. It won't glow. You'll still be able to hear everything, but it won't glow. How you would do that? All you have to do is go to the computer. Take HDMI and plug in. There you go. And if you want to listen, you would take, I think, the green one, and you would plug that in. Now you can hear. Like I was saying, it works great. Sound quality's good. And this is going to be a short video. And this, like I said, it was pretty cheap, but it's worth it. It's truly worth it. I've been trying it for a couple of days. It's flexible, fit anybody's head. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I know I haven't posted in a while, but please share the video, and bye-bye.